Hello watcher and subscriber. Today our topic is what is AI. You know student, in 9th and 10th standard curriculum as well as in 11, 12 also AI subject is introduced, and many students they are studying this subject, but still many students having confusion what exactly the AI is. Even teacher also having some confusion because this is the new subject. So here I will tell you what is AI. I will tell you some common examples of AI, and this I will make a playlist which is based on some common topics of the AI. So let's get started without wasting time. So here in this class I will tell you about I will start from the definition. So AI means it refer to application of technology through machine or application which carries out a task. Okay. So dear student, AI means what? It is a application of technology. So it can be machine also or it can be application also. Okay. It can be machine means it can be your tablet, it can be attendance machine, or it can be a robot also. Okay, or AI means it is a application also which carried out a particular task, but along with that task it show the intelligence compared to human being. Means your AI application, it show the certain kind of intelligence. Okay, for example, if you are making a program for even and odd number or addition of two number, so it is a normal program not showing any kind of intelligence like a human being. So it is a simple application. Second example is, suppose in your home there is a machine like what we can say mixer. Okay, so it is not a AI because it is doing just a particular predefined work but not showing a certain kind of intelligence. Okay, so it is not a AI application. If I tell you one more example, like as a human being, as a user, you are typing something in a computer. So when you type in computer, you first think. Okay, and you have to type a particular sentence, you add an image, you add an audio, means you show certain kind of accuracy and you show certain kind of intelligence. Okay, so this thing if your machine is also doing, so that is what the AI. So now here in the AI we will start from the beginning. Suppose if we take an example of only machine, and machine it is not having any intelligence. Okay, we are taking an example of only normal machine. So suppose as you know, your system is also machine and you want to log in your computer. Okay, so computer we are considering machine, but what if the keyboard got stuck? Okay, so your system is a machine, and what happens, suppose your keyboard is damaged or not working, then ultimately in this example machine cannot take decision and we cannot operate your computer, even we cannot log in also. Okay, so here the AI is missing. Okay, then in the second example, how human work. Suppose your fingerprint scanner linked to the door and is not working, what would the how would the door open now? So the guard on the door can recognize your face and check your ID and open the door for you. Okay, so if your iCard is showing the identity, and then according to your identity that the guard will allow you to open the door for you. So that is what the in this example, in this scenario, the guard is a human being and it show some kind of intelligence, and even though your fingerprint scanner is not working, then also you get the entry and the door will be open for you because of the guard. So here in this example we have seen how human work. Now here we will see how artificial intelligence work. So suppose you have installed face recognizing camera at the main door of your house. Along with that you have lock key as well. What if you lose a key would you gain entry in the house? Definitely you will guess, because of face recognizing camera, and that camera is a artificial intelligence. It can recognize your face and open door for you. So that face recognizing camera is a machine which is having application, and it is used to identify a person. So it is a showing intelligence like a human being. Okay, it is showing a certain kind of intelligence for doing a certain kind of task. So here in this example, face recognizing camera is a AI application. Got it? So I hope you understood what is AI through this example. Now we will see some common examples of AI like Google Map. Google Map is used in a transport service like Ola app. We commonly use a Google Map. It will trace a location for source and destination, so that you can do a traveling from your particular place to particular destination. Next one is face detection and recognition, that we use in a camera for identify the people, so that the door will be open for the particular person. Even in attendance system in an office, we use a face detection and recognition technique. So that is what it is performing a task and showing an intelligence for identifying a person. So that is what the example of AI. Next one is text editor and autocorrect. Okay, here you can observe text editor and autocorrect means there will be a text editor, and it is used to edit the text, as well as it is autocorrect that takes. So here what happened, there is a certain kind of intelligence because it is automatically correcting the text. So that is also comes in the AI. Next one is a chatbot. Many application having a chatbot. Suppose you are taking any insurance or using a services of company, there is a chatbot, and if you are typing a certain question that is related with the particular organization, then you will get an automatic answer in place of telephonic call. Okay, so here the time will save. So that chatbot is working like a human being, and it is helping you for solving your problem. So that is also comes in the AI. Next one is e-payment. In online services, there is a role of e-payment, and because of e-payment, we can transfer a payment from one account to particular account. By using a e-payment, we can purchase any online things, so we can purchase any product. So here also there is a certain kind of intelligence, because without money, without cash, we can purchase it by using a concept of e-payment. So we can transfer the money from our account to other account, and because of that we can purchase something, we can do online shopping. So it is what showing some certain kind of intelligence. So that is also the example of AI. So dear student, in this example we have seen many AI examples. Okay, then in the next class we will see the next topic. So I hope, dear student, you understood this tutorial, and in this tutorial you understood what is AI and some common example of AI as well. So thanks for watching this tutorial.